Good morning students, welcome back to biology class. So in this class we are going to discuss about the structure of virus, especially tobacco mosaic virus and bacteriophage. The first one is tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus, short it is called as TMV. That means tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus means the virus which infect tobacco plants are called tobacco mosaic virus. Then what is the structure of this tobacco mosaic virus? Tobacco mosaic virus is cylindrical in shape. Okay, this is made up of nucleic acid and protein. So virus means it is made up of nucleic acid and protein. In the tobacco mosaic virus, the genetic material is RNA. So this is a RNA virus. Let us see the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. The tobacco mosaic virus, which consists of a genetic material or the nucleic acid, that is RNA. This is RNA. Is it clear? This is RNA. This RNA is covered by protein. The protein coat is called capsid. So this is a capsid. This is a protein coat. This protein coat called capsid, which consists of a number of subunits called capsomers. So this is what capsomers. So this is a simple the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. So these are all capsomers. So totally this protein coat is called capsid. This is capsomers. Is it clear? So this is a simple the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. This is RNA, a genetic material, or nucleic acid. So this is totally called capsid, which consists of the subunits called capsomers. This is a simple structure of tobacco mosaic virus. So the length of this tobacco mosaic virus is about 300 nanometer. Then diameter of this tobacco mosaic virus is about 17 nanometer. Is it clear? Then this is a protein coat called capsid, consists of capsomers. Around 2130 capsomers are present in the capsid. This is a simple structure of tobacco mosaic virus. So virus which contain the two important chemical components, that is protein and nucleic acid. So in this tobacco mosaic virus, 94.5% of protein and 5.5% of nucleic acid. This is a simple structure of tobacco mosaic virus. So tobacco mosaic virus is cylindrical in shape, which consists of RNA and protein. The protein coat is called capsid. Capsid consists of number of capsomers, that is about 2130 capsomers. The length of the tobacco mosaic virus is about 300 nanometer and the diameter is about 17 nanometer. This tobacco mosaic virus totally, that's 94.5% of protein and 5.5% of nucleic acid. This is about tobacco mosaic virus. Is it clear? Okay. Next, another virus, that is bacteriophage. So bacteriophage is a virus. The virus which infect bacteria are called bacteriophage. The virus which infect bacteria are called bacteriophage. Then what is the structure of this bacteriophage? Bacteriophage is a virus. The virus which infect the bacteria are called bacteriophage. Bacteria phage means eater, bacteria eater. Is it clear? Okay. Then what is the structure of this bacteriophage? So bacteriophage is a somewhat a tadpole shape which consists of head, neck and tail. Let us see the structure of that bacteriophage. Oh, this is an head. Head is a polyhedral in shape. Having many faces. This is a head, this is a neck, a narrow region, this is a tail. Is it clear? And it has a tail plate or the end plate, hexagonal end plate. Okay na? This having spikes and also tail fibers like this. Then this tail is covered by contractile, a tail sheath. It is also made up of a protein. The entire virus is made up of protein, but they have a genetic material, either DNA or RNA. This is a contractile tail sheath. Okay, this is the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. Here there is a collar-like structure. It is a collar. So this is what? Head. This is a neck. This is a collar. This is a tail. This is a tail, contractile tail sheath. Here is a small a spike-like structure. That's called spikes or prongs. This is called tail fibers. This is the structure of this is the structure of a bacteriophage. Is it clear? Inside the head we can find the genetic material, that is RNA. So this is a bacteriophage. It's a virus. It has head, neck, tail, 3 parts. Okay, this head is about the length is about 85 nanometer in length. The diameter is about 70 nanometer diameter. Then the tail is about 110 nanometer. Is it clear? So bacteriophage is a virus which infect bacteria. It consists of head, polyhedral shape. Inside the head we can find the genetic material, that is DNA, that is nucleic acid, because bacteriophage is a DNA virus which contains the DNA as genetic material. Inside the head we can find the DNA, and there is a narrow region, that means the connection between head and tail, this region is called neck with collar. Then this is a tail, this is having a contractile, the protein that is called a contractile tail sheath, which undergo contraction that helps in introduce a genetic material into the host. This is spikes which helps in introduce a genetic material into the host body by making your holes, and this is a fibers which helps in attachment to the host. This is a brief structure of bacteria page. So, one more important point, this head is made up of capsid that consists of about 2000 capsomers. So, the entire body of the virus is made up of protein coat, that is called capsid. Capsid consists of number of capsomers and genetic material, that is DNA. This is a brief structure of bacteriophage. So, you have to practice the diagram, tobacco mosaic virus and bacteriophage for the point of examination. In the examination direct question, that is draw a labeled diagram of tobacco mosaic virus or bacteriophage. This is about what structure of tobacco mosaic virus and bacteriophage. So, this virus causes a disease to both plants and animals, even in human beings. Some disease caused by virus. Diseases caused by the virus to the plants. Plant disease. Which are the best example for plant disease? That is tobacco mosaic disease. Tobacco mosaic disease. Then mosaic disease in tobacco, mosaic disease of tomato. Then banana bunchy top disease, banana bunchy top disease. These are all plant disease. That is leaf rolling and curling. Leaf rolling and leaf curling is also viral disease. Then leaf yellowing and vein clearing is also viral disease. Then dwarfing, stunted growth. These are all disease caused by the virus to the plant. Tobacco mosaic disease, even cauliflower mosaic disease, then mosaic disease of tomato, banana bunchy top disease, leaf rolling and leaf curling, yellowing and vein clearing, then dwarfing, that means the plant is very short, stunted growth. Once again, it is the growth is inhibited. This is because of viral infection. This is some examples of the virus that cause disease to the plants. Similarly, some disease caused by virus to the animals, including human beings. Example, that is mumps, then smallpox, chickenpox, smallpox, herpes, hepatitis, AIDS, then polio, then dog distemper in dog, rabies in dog, foot and mouth disease, foot and mouth disease, especially in cattle. These are some influenza, conjunctivitis, brain fever. So these are all different diseases caused by the virus to the animals and also humans. Is it clear? Or this is about what? Virus. Then one more important organism, or another, other than this 5 kingdom classification, not belongs to 5 kingdom classification, that is viroids. Viroids are infectious RNA molecule, infectious RNA molecule without protein coat, that lack protein. So they are called viroids, discovered by T.O. Diner in 1971. 1971, the viroids discovered by T.O. Diner in 1971. It is an infectious RNA molecule without the protein coat. So virus is infectious agent that having a protein coat and also genetic material. But here only genetic material, that is RNA is infectious without protein coat. Similarly, another type of infectious agent, that is prions, which are infectious protein or the proteinaceous molecule. Infectious proteinaceous molecule. Here only protein, but they lack nucleic acid. Discovered by Stanley Prusiner. The both are infectious. Especially these viroids are infectious RNA molecule. They cause a disease, that is a potato spindle tuber disease. Potato spindle tuber disease. For the point of examination, you have to remember only 3 points. What are viroids? Who discovered? Name the disease caused by viroids. That is for NCERT. This is not in your NCERT, but you must know the prions are infectious proteinaceous molecule. They cause neurodegenerative disorders like CJD, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, and also Kuru. It's another type of disease. Mad cow disease. So these are all diseases caused by the prions. Prions, infectious proteinaceous molecule. Viroids, infectious RNA molecules, that means nucleic acid. But virus is a combination of both. There is a nucleic acid plus protein. Nucleic acid plus protein. But here only nucleic acid, no protein coat. Here in the prions, only protein, no nucleic acid. This is about what viroids and prions. So this completes the chapter biological classification. Okay. Thank you. Bye.